everyone, this is the other part to the first video that I did, that I showed you the two kits. Now this is a different one altogether. This is in the purple. Again, the full zip, and they're good zips, and you can do them from either side, whichever side. So let's see what's inside this one. So with this one, you get the cuticle oil, and these will be different colours, and there's foil. So there's the gold, the silver, and a few little discs, silver discs, and that one. Again, in this one you will have the lamp, and also you will get the things that I showed you before. So if you choose this particular kit, right down there, it's just this that's different, and these are a different colour. So put that down there. So as you saw on my first one, these are the two files, and your cuticle. Oh, in a minute, I don't think. No, this is different. No, it isn't. So one end, you've got where you can take the skin from when you've pushed, obviously pushed your nails, the cuticles back. It sometimes leaves skin there, and you can take it off with that. Good idea. So, and that, like I say, is the same as the other kit. It's just that you've got little tiny bits different. And again, this will be a cuticle oil. Again, I can't praise it enough. Love it. Absolutely love it. Just stick it in your bag, a few twists around your nails, boom, boom, done. So obviously it's no point in me showing you that one, because I showed you that in the previous video. So it's all down to these. So if I can find my scissors, because if anything can break your nails, these will. And like I say, these now are different colours. So let's take them out. So obviously these are darker, with the purples, the violet, and again in here you have got your top coat and your base coat, base coat and top coat. And I mean, they're quite big as well, as you can see. So like I say, they won't have colours on, except on the kit that you actually want to choose. So they feel rubbery as well, which is great to hold. And as you can see, that is a grey. So when you first have them, you get an air bubble. So be careful when you put your brush back in, because it puffs up in a fashion. Right, so those are there. So I'm going to change those nails on the hand. Oh, we'll be back. Okay, so these are stuck on with the nail glue, and the silver one is the base coat. So I'm just going to put the base coat on, then the colours, then a top coat, and I'll let you listen to some music while I do so, as obviously you watch me in the other video do it as is, but we'll do it this way this time. So I'll just get that ready and we'll go. So there they are, all done. So it's been base coat, one coat of polish, and then the top coat. But what I did with these two, I did the one coat, as I would imagine you noticed. I did one coat first, and I thought, well, we'll see what difference it makes. But to the darker colours, I wouldn't say it made much difference at all. So I think it did a little bit more on this one than it did that one. But other than that, they look fine. So those are that. So I'll get things out of the way and I'll be back. So there are all your colours. Down, you'll see them a bit better. And there is your other kit. So like I say, I'll leave all this information in the drop down box, and obviously it's your choice of what colours you like. And you get your little LED and all your little bits and bobs, and away you go. Well, again, I'd like to thank Modelones for sending me these. They're beautiful. And I'd like to thank you again for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye.